afternoon and evening to the whole wide world, guys. So today is the second day of our vacation. We're preparing our everything, the house, the luggages, and cleaning. Say hi to your fans club, dear.
Hi, Big suit. Hi, fans.
So there, guys, my husband bought some equipments from the hardware because he will clean our 2 vehicles, guys. So right now it's going 11 o'clock in the morning. So we got up late, like around 9 o'clock to 10, guys, because we're so tired. Yesterday we went to GP to buy some goodies that we call pasalubong in our language, guys. So yes, we will have a peek and look later about what are we going to pack and prepare, guys. So I'll be back in a bit. Thank you. Hello, guys, welcome back again to our channel here in Canada, Life of Maring Sarah. And today is the day that we're waiting for, our first ever travel after 6 years. Ayan po ang hindi natulog ng nagpuyat sa yellow, dear. Gising na yan, guys. At 2 o'clock ako, tinulugan ko siya. Antok na antok ako, guys. So we've been busy for the past 3 days, I think 2 days, 3 days, kasi pangatlong araw na ngayon to, guys. So we prepared everything, we bought goodies para sa aming families, not too much, sakto lang. And then the clothes that we will be needing for our trip. And then of course we fix all the documents that we need to leave in the Philippines also, guys. So here around, maliligo lang po kami and then kakain, almusal. So pakita ko po sa inyo mamaya yung mga luggage namin na finish namin kahapon, guys. Nagtimbang po kami sa South Valley Residence kahapon, so over luggage po lahat. So we need to adjust and we need to take out all the unnecessary things na pwede naman namin mabili sa Philippines, guys. So see you later. So ayan, guys, ang aming mga maleta. Ayan, kay Chichi. Dalawa. Kay Mela. Rose, kumain na kayo, ha? And Cyrus. Sa akin. Sa akin. And then kay Milab. And kay Cyrus. Take ko 2 each luggage po, guys, with hand carry. Yan siya. Total of 8 baggage, guys. So sorry, hindi po na madadala pabalik dito sa Canada yung air luggage kasi actually puro overloaded yan. In-adjust na namin yan. So yung mga sticker na nakalagay ng kilos dyan, hindi na accurate kasi pinag-scramble na namin kung saan pwede isiksik yung iba. Okay, see you later, guys.